んだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
と、さい。
Let's write kanji.
と、と。This means east. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。One more time. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is based on Chinese reading and kunyomi is Japanese original reading.
Onyomi of this kanji is to. Kunyomi is higashi. Then let's see some word examples. Onyomi example is 東京、東京。東京 is the capital of Japan. And this is used in a sentence like this. 私は東京に行く。私は東京に行く。kunyomi example is 東日本。東日本 means Eastern Japan. 東 means East. 日本 means Japan.
Next kanji is
さい。さい。This means West. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5、6。One more time. 1、2、3、4、5、6。
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi is さい、せい。kunyomi is 西。Then let's take a look at the example vocabulary. Onyomi example is 関西、関西。Kansai is a region in the south of Japan's main island. And this is used in a sentence like this. 関西空港に行きたいです。関西空港に行きたいです。kunyomi example is 西側。西 means west, 側 means side. So this means west side. 新しい言葉。東西 East and West。中東 Middle East。西 West。今日の授業は終わりです。またね。
You did great today. またね。 Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you